Che Satoshi, for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about Gravity DEX Protocol. Basically, um, they want to bring DeFi, decentralized finance, over the Cosmos ecosystem. Every smart contract or every project need to be present with DeFi. It's a big trend. Decentralized finance, the decentralized finance, it's here to stay. And it's really cool to be able to yield farming, swap token, do arbitrage, and borrow money. You have all kind of stuff that you can do with decentralized finance, and this is really exciting. I really love that for personally because I love the world of finance and money, and especially crypto. When you bring decentralized finance, you have a plan B from your bank, and this is really enticing me to dig into it and to discover the technology as we speak together with you. And you're going to learn, I'm going to cover all the features about Gravity DEX Protocol. But just before moving on, my friend, I need to take some coffee. And I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel, Crypto and Coffee. The first one is subscribe and smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh. Just press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified when I release a new video. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street school. Thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. Let's go back to Gravity DEX Protocol. And I'm going to read again the main title, Bringing DeFi to Cosmos. That is all about Gravity DEX Protocol. And I'm going to read the subtitle. The first cross-chain DeFi protocol on the Cosmos Hub, it's now live. Cross-chains here, I'm going to highlight. Cross-chains is mean you will be able to, with the technology providing by Cosmos, you will be able to, so a developer can build a DeFi app, decentralized finance application over the Cosmos ecosystem, and the DeFi will be able to speak to many blockchains and to the same app, and this is really exciting, and this is the futures, because a decentralized finance application cannot work and silo on one, for example, Binance Smart Chain. For the mass adoption of decentralized finance, people need to have options, need to be able to connect with many blockchain of their choice and be able to use the app over the Cosmos ecosystem. And this is the features to integrate interoperability or cross-chain transaction or cross-chain DeFi. So I hope you really enjoy. If you need more details, don't hesitate to put a nice comment below, and I'm going to answer the best as I can. So AMMs use Gravity DEX today. That's the first app that is working and is live right now on the Cosmos that use the technology of Gravity DEX product they have integrated. I make a video about AMMs and all the features. I invite you to check right now. I'm just to put the link here upstairs. So click on there to watch this video about the AMMs. I did, my friend. I hope you really enjoy this kind of content. Let me know with the smash like button. And I'm not going to read because you're going to learn everything on the video I make, especially about AMMs, my friend, and enjoy with great popcorn and good coffee or beer, whatever you like, or even tea. Go for it. Just watch it right now. I'm going to skip that part. So, as you can see, the most secure cross-chain exchange protocol. This is all about secure cross-chain protocol, exchange protocol. So to be able to understand what's the meaning of this big title, then for advertisement, they're doing that. Beyond strong color to pay attention. So I'm going to read that here. Secured by over $3 billion, my friend, of digital assets. The Gravity DEX protocol enables DeFi across multiple chains. Swaps and pools of digital assets between any connected blockchain are now possible on the Cosmos app. I really love that. Multiple chain, and they talk about cross-chain. This is all about the excitement, because DeFi, you can do DeFi on Binance Smart Chain, you can do DeFi on Polygon, you can do DeFi on second layers that you pay low transaction fee and stuff like that, but they push a step further with the cross-chain technology. So one app can connect to multiple blockchain. And this is really exciting. So token swap, access to early stage innovation, my friend. This is really important. Access to early stage innovation. I'm going to read that portion again. Get immediate access to all tokens from connected chains. I'm going to read, this is really cool. Get immediate access to all tokens from connected chains, many of which are not available on centralized exchanges. Discover new and innovative Cosmos projects, swap tokens, and provide liquidity. So this is really cool. I'm going to highlight. Discover new and innovative Cosmos projects. Right from the bat, with all the new DeFi DApps that's coming on the pipe, with all the great, powerful technology provided by the Cosmos ecosystem. This is really exciting. I need to take some coffee before to keep going, my friend. So you can leveling the DeFi playing field. So you can leveling the decentralized finance playing fields, cross-chains DeFi, with high transaction fees on existing DEXs. So this is really true. Transaction fees is a pain in the ass, but is a necessary for fees to make sure that people secure the blockchain. They need to have an income. But when you pay too much fees, it kills the profit from participate or take part of decentralized finance innovation. So I'm going to read again. With high transactions fees on existing DEXs, DeFi is increasingly pricing out smaller traders. If you're not rich or if you don't trade thousands or millions of dollars, for an example, if you want just to trade $100, to pay too much fees, it will kill you, my friend. The Gravity DEX Protocol will level the DeFi playing fields, making cross-chains DeFi accessible to all type of trader using batches transactions to dramatically lower the fees, dynamically between 1 to maximum of 10 cents. This is really cool. So the average fee right now is 8 cents. 0.3% swap fee. So I need to take some coffee, my friend. To pay 8 cents to do a simple swap cross-chains, my friend, just imagine that. That's the futures of decentralized finance over the Cosmos ecosystem. You just need to pay 8 cents. This is really cheap. I'm very excited to read that. So you will be able to do cross-chain decentralized finance with all the great technology behind the Cosmos ecosystem, and you're going to pay only 8 cents of fees. Price efficiency. Superior efficiency to other AMM. AMM means automated market maker. I hope my memory is good. Automated market maker. So that's the way decentralized finance, decentralized exchanges work. Instead to have a centralized exchange that you need to create an account, do you know your customers and all the boring stuff. With decentralized exchange, you just need to connect your wallet and you'll be able to do a lot of things like yield farming, yield interest, swap token, borrow money without to need to identify yourself. Everything is decentralized and your money, it's yours, and you have the options to do whatever you want without to be monitored. And this is the features of money, because you have the right to have control over your money. So superior efficiency to other AMMs. Automated market have difficulty with to pronounce with the S, so AMMs, I don't know, AMMs. I hope you, sorry if my spelling is not good about AMM. So as you may know, my native language is French, and I speak French for 95% of my time. And I try to improve my English on daily basis. All these videos I'm making, I know it's a little bit off track, but all these videos I'm making, I improve my knowledge and about English and my proficiency every single day. So I'm going to read the part superior efficiency to other AMMs. Sorry for about the off track. The Gravity DEX Protocol uses an equivalent swap price model ESPM to improve price consistency and reduce opportunity for arbitrage. Batch orders execution further remove the possibility of front running, making trader fairer, and trader even have the capability to build other block trading UIs to get instant market pricing innovation. So they're going to push a step further and improve the AMM and to improve price consistency towards this opportunity for arbitrage. I think this is really cool because when you want to swap, you don't want to have a surprise. You want to pay the price that the AMM has proposed you, and then we swap. You want to see the money you're supposed to have, and that's it. So when you want to swap, you want to have predictability into your transactions. I need to take some coffee just before moving on. The connecting ecosystems. Gravity bridge to Ethereum and beyond. And this is another important concept that you need to have bridge over other smart chain and over other blockchain to be able to communicate, because the features of blockchain, people will use many blockchain and people expect to have all blockchain to connect together, will be able to transact or to be able to swap easily between them. So I'm going to read that part because this is an important piece of technology about Cosmos ecosystem. The upcoming Gravity bridge to Ethereum and other EVM compatible chains will enable substantial liquidity and value to flow into the Cosmos. So you will be able to transact back and forth from the Cosmos to Ethereum to the Cosmos, and probably you can expect to other blockchain like Binance Smart Chain as well, that is really popular, and Polygon and many more. Using batching transactions, the Gravity Bridge can perform cheaper ERC20 cents that slash Ethereum gas fee and open up a well of DeFi opportunity. I love this statement. Open up a well of DeFi opportunities. Well, it just means you can see well like your purchasing power, how much you can, your value, how much you can spend over the value you have. Well, I see this definition of, I love to do this concept, well egal your purchasing power. You can discover the Gravity Bridge if you want. Probably I'm going to make a specific video about this piece of technology over the Cosmos ecosystem. So as you can see, another great part here. Massive success of Gravity DEX testnet. Over 775 traders with over 900 million total swap volume. So the Gravity DEX incentivized testnet competition, ranking up more than 750,000 30 transactions and a total lock-in value of 190 million as total local value. This is mean TLV is total lock value and pool investments. This is insane. So this is just the starting journey about to bring DeFi over the Cosmos ecosystem with this beautiful technology that we call, sorry, I have a blank memory, Gravity DEX Protocol. So I'm going to go in the bottom. As you can see the developer. You can integrate with DEX Protocol. I'm going to show you the main page after that. So if you want to stay in touch and to know more about Get Gravity DEX update, put your email. I think this is worth it if you want to keep in touch with all the great thing that's happening with the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm going to go on the section of integrate with the Gravity DEX Protocol. Let's go see right away, my friend. So as you can see, I am on GitHub. I need to take some coffee. As you can see, what you can do here, you have the opportunity to fork the code and do a lot of things with this Gravity DEX protocol. So Liquidity TYD, you see this document provide a high-level overview of all the command CLI and REST API interface work for the liquidity module. So as you can see, they have different kind of transactions command line interface. I'm not a developer. Dig into yourself if you know how to code and how to, if you intend to be you are a developer and you are interested to integrate with the Cosmos ecosystem. This is an important piece of information. As you can see, you have create liquidity pool, deposit to liquidity pool batch, withdraw pool coin from the liquidity pool, swap offer coin with demand coin from the liquidity pool with the given order price, and you have all the query command line with the CLI interface. I'm not going to everything, but this, when you click on that part here, integrate with the Gravity DEX protocol, you're going to go directly onto the GitHub under the Tendermint Liquidity, and this is all the code is public. If you go on the bottom, this is all the code. So if you know how to code and how to read the code, this is all about. You can audit the code yourself if it's safe or not to integrate this with the Cosmos ecosystem, or if you have an idea. But I hope you really enjoy this small introduction about the Gravity DEX protocol or ecosystem. I want you to take a couple of actions. The first one is subscribe and smash the like button if you enjoy this type of content. Press the bell notification and spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the stress school. Thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. If you enjoy this type of content, let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button. I hope you are going to have a great day ahead, my friend. Thank you so much, and see you on the next episode. And have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.